Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of international finance, a place that can sometimes feel as mysterious as the moon itself. But fear not, intrepid explorers, because we're cracking the code on a question that's been puzzling some of you. What exactly is the SWIFT code for Lunar Bank? The rise of the digital moon, why SWIFT codes matter. Let's rewind a bit. Maybe you're a recent convert to Lunar Bank, their sleek app and digital focus winning you over. Or perhaps you're a seasoned international money mover, always looking for the most efficient ways to send funds across borders. Either way, you've likely stumbled upon the term SWIFT code while navigating the world of international transfers. But what exactly is it, and why does it matter for your Lunar Bank transactions? Demystifying the SWIFT code, your bank's intergalactic passport. Imagine you're sending a package to a friend on the other side of the world. You need an address, right? That's where the SWIFT code comes in. It's like a unique identifier for your bank, a special code used by financial institutions to pinpoint exactly where your money needs to go. Think of it as a galactic passport for your funds, ensuring they reach their lunar destination swiftly and securely. Lunar Bank SWIFT code, unveiling the mystery. All right, enough with the metaphors. Let's get down to brass tacks. The good news is, Lunar Bank SWIFT code is readily available. It's LUNAT22XXX. Now, that last bit, XXX, might raise an eyebrow. Branching out, understanding the code variations. Here's the thing, not every branch of a bank has its own unique SWIFT code. Often, the code you'll find is for the bank's headquarters. That's the case with Lunar Bank. LUNAT22XXX represents their main branch. Now, if you absolutely need the code for a specific Lunar Bank branch, you might need to do some additional digging on their website or contact customer support. But in most cases, the headquarters code will do the trick. Beyond the code, additional info for your lunar launch. While the SWIFT code is a key piece of the puzzle, there's another important element for international transfers, the IBAN, International Bank Account Number. This unique identifier specifies your specific account within Lunar Bank. Double-check before you lift off, avoiding lunar landing mishaps. Before you hit that send button and launch your funds into the financial stratosphere, here's a crucial tip. Double-check all your information, especially the recipient's details and the SWIFT code. A typo or mistake can lead to delays or, in worst-case scenarios, lost funds. Smooth sailing on your lunar money mission. So there you have it. The mystery of the Lunar Bank SWIFT code is cracked. Now you have the tools to navigate the world of international transfers with confidence. Remember, for most transactions, LUNAT22XXX is your go-to code. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy international banking.